Hey guys, what is going on? Today we got a brand new video. I am joined by a 2021 Mazda 3 all-wheel drive GT Turbo. This bad boy is the Turbo Mazda 3, and today, as a Mazda nerd and owns multiple MazdaSpeed 3s and Mazda 3s, I want to try and compare to my best to see if this compares to the MazdaSpeed 3 and if you can consider this as Mazda's new MazdaSpeed 3, because Mazda has no plans on bringing MazdaSpeed back, as that was the racing team back then, and then they obviously made the MazdaSpeed, blah blah blah, Speed 6, Speed Miata, all that stuff. This is just labeled as a regular Mazda 3, but we're gonna see if it performs similar to the MazdaSpeed 3. Starting off with a couple quick facts about the car. These make about 248 horsepower on 91 fuel, which this is all full of 91. It also makes more than the Speed does in torque. This makes about 310 to 320 foot-pounds of torque at 91 octane fuel. So this is already making more torque. It's also making about 20 to 25 less horsepower than the MazdaSpeed 3 does from factory. So today we're gonna put this thing to the test. We're gonna do a couple 0 to 60s. We're gonna get some sound out of it for you with some drive-bys, and we're also gonna do a quick mountain run to see how it handles and everything about that. This is not your video for the features, although this thing is well equipped. And I mean, clearly I would probably take this thing over a MazdaSpeed. Well, no, I shouldn't say that. Crystal white exterior with the black wheels, and then on the inside we have the red interior and the black, piano black. So without further ado, I'm gonna hand the camera back to my boy.
What's up? I don't fit in the middle seat.
Okay guys, so we're gonna start with a 0 to 60 in cab. Jason's got the timer, and we're gonna go for it.
Damn it! You fucking launched so hard.
And that's it.
You launched so hard that I pressed it for 0.2 seconds.
Didn't realize it was gonna launch that hard. So forgetting. I don't know what the time is, but I'll put it down. Woohoo, we did that, cool. Now we're gonna get one from the exterior of the car. Okay, so now since we've done our 0 to 60 test, we know how quick this thing picks up. Now we're going up for a quick little mountain run. Just have fun, enjoy the ride. I'm already gonna say that I probably put this and the MazdaSpeed 3 together, as in handling. So let's have a boot.
Yeah. I had to think about how hard it'd be to brace myself in here.
Take it easy at first.
Oh god, this thing grips.
And there you guys have it. Okay, so I think, I take back what I said about, okay, it's the best handling Mazda 3, but I know for a fact the Gen 2 MazdaSpeed 3 handles better than this, hands down. This has good handling and the tires on it really retain the grip that it needs, but the stiffness of the MazdaSpeed 3 around the corners due to its beefier sway bar than the Mazda 3, the MazdaSpeed 3 definitely takes handling as a win over this.
I was trying to get another angle.
I was coming to pick you up.
Do another pass because I feel like this is gonna look cool.
Okay, and unfortunately it's raining now, but the drive-bys there are the test of sound. What car sounds better? To be honest, I'm gonna be completely honest, the MazdaSpeed 3 does not sound anything different from a regular Mazda 3 when it's completely stock. This, however, has its own sound and it's kind of intriguing. So to be honest, sound, completely stock, 100% stock. I mean, the MazdaSpeed 3 does have its sound, but I think for this to have a distinguished sound compared to the naturally aspirated 2.5 Mazda 3s, I think I'm gonna have to give it to this. The new Mazda 3 Turbo, could you consider it the MazdaSpeed 3? I think you could. I think you're getting both. I think you're getting both of the best worlds. You're getting the power, but you're also getting all-wheel drive, which is what the MazdaSpeed 3 had. You might be losing on the handling a bit, which is okay because, you know, lowering springs and stuff like that can help this out. This thing is well equipped with safety features. Sound system is fantastic. Navigation and just everything like that. There's more capabilities in the MazdaSpeed 3 for power, sound, stuff like that. Obviously these are brand new. People are slowly starting to come out with stuff. Like a brand has just dropped an intake and it makes the turbo sound wicked. If Mazda put a MazdaSpeed 3 badge on this, people would be like, oh my god, that's MazdaSpeed 3. They drive and be like, this is MazdaSpeed 3. So without the badge, I think this is definitely up to par. Alright guys, and that is the video today with the Mazda 3 Turbo. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment below. Other than that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and turn on post notifications to see more content. If you guys want to see more content with these cars and anything revolving around them, let me know. Other than that guys, thank you so much. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.